What is up, what is up, what is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. Nag-uusapan pa lang kagabi na night ride. Ayan, nagkayaan mag night ride sa gabi. Time check, it's 10:13 PM. Usapan namin 9 o'clock. Inabot na kami ng alas 10. Kasi kasama natin yan si Kuya JR. Kung makapansin nyo, meron na rin siyang auxiliary light. So tinapos namin kanina. Kasi may mga inaantay pa rin naman tayo. So sabi namin, tapusin natin yung motor mo para magamit niya yung Vespa. Kaya kanina sabi niya, magbibig bike na lang ako. Sabi ko, hindi, malapit na tapusin na natin yung Vespa na yan. I-meet up natin sila Mike Bomac, I think sila Kuya Jody, Mr. Sarap, I think si Pogi, not sure, hindi ko alam, hindi nag-reply. Pero let's see. Ang plano dapat mag-ice cream. Ewan ko kung aabot pa kami. 11 o'clock yung sarahan ng ice cream So let's see kung aabot. Kuya, hi ka sa vlog.
Hello.
Yun,
Welcome back to me.
Welcome back. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung ilaw niya, nakakabit na rin. Yun.
Rush po yan, rush.
Rush lang yan. So may mga sobrang tornilyo. Hindi namin alam kung nabalik na lahat. Wala pa naman kumakalas nakakalayo-layo na kami.
At least dalawa lang yung sumobra.
At least dalawa lang yung sumobra. Tama. Saka maliliit lang, hindi yung mga malalaking tornilyo. Pag malalaking tornilyo, nakakatakot yun. Kita-kits tayo sa gas station. Meet natin sila doon. Let's go. Yes, dito na kami. Kuya Jody, Shorts Gaming. Yeah, Mike Bomac, Kuya JR. Yo.
Connected.
Yeah, there you go.
Let's go.
You guys in front?
Omar TV's up front. I'll be in the back.
Hey, we clear. Let's go.
All clear.
Make a left here. Left turn. Hi, sis.
Say hi.
There you go.
Remember, you got to speak up because you're in a helmet.
Let's see if we'll make it to the ice cream place. I don't know. I don't think so, but we'll see.
What's up, guys? Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi,
What's
vlog.
happening?
Who's all the way back? Kuya Jody?
Me, it's me. Hey, mama. Why you want me to turn on the super lights, baby?
There you go.
There you go.
Sunday night ride.
We're what do you call that? What's the right term for it? Ano ba yung salubong?
Which one?
Intercept. We're gonna intercept the midnight for Kuya Jody's birthday.
Happy birthday.
To me.
Intercept? Is it really? What's the right term for that, Kuya? When you wait for midnight?
It's Kuya Jody's birthday eve.
Birthday Eve. Hey, you're not wrong. Birthday Eve. Go straight. Look at the view, sis, on the left side.
If you look left, you'll see Vegas.
There you go.
I heard this is where you're gonna be buying your new house, Kuya Jody.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Turn on red.
No turn on red, but this one doesn't work, so we good. And there's a couple of lights here that doesn't sense motorcycles. Watch out for gravels. There you go. There you go. The view again. Hey, it feels good over here. Welcome back again, Kuya JR.
Yep.
Thank you for taking my helmet with you, sir.
Oh,
Nice helmet.
Welcome.
Nice helmet, Mike Bomac. Congrats.
You wore it before I did, so that's good.
We're gonna make a left here. This light doesn't work either, so we'll see. I mean, it works, but I don't know if they can sense us. There you go. Yep,
it's gonna work.
Yeah. There you go. Look at Mike Bomac's helmet, guys. What's up, man? It's nice, oh. It's nice.
Oh, no color available in US.
It's ouch.
It's ouch.
Ouch,
It's
ouch,
it's array. Astro GX, baby.
Astro boy. We're the Astro boy.
Damn, it's nice. Sunday night, and then this route. Nobody's in the road.
Nobody's in the road. Every Sunday, baby. Every Sunday.
Every
Yeah, but that's okay. It's
Sunday.
nice and cool.
Oh yeah.
Especially for you, you're wearing shorts. All you
Hey,
gotta
I
do
can-
is open your legs and you have instant aircon.
Yes, sir.
Popo on the left side. Oh, we're all legal now. You got plates now, yeah? I forgot to reset my odometer. Stupid.
You know, me too. But does it matter really?
Not
At
really.
this point, it doesn't matter anymore.
But my bike eats a lot of gas right now. I don't know why. Maybe it's hot.
Yeah, it's rich.
It's rich. Good thing my bike is
rich.
rich. At least my bike is rich, not me.
Yeah.
This is our Grom route.
Flusher too. Oh, I have flusher too.
It's on and off. See how bright, kuya? Oh, huh? It's bright. Damn, it's dark over here. No street lights.
It's all right. We got enough light.
Oh yeah.
Such a rich neighborhood without street lights. I don't get it.
They're conserving energy.
Or something blew up.
There. That's probably the better thing. Something got too hot.
It's dark again.
For them, not us.
Kuya, this is where Chua lives. On the left side.
Oh, rich people neighborhood.
Yeah.
There's a roundabout coming up, okay?
Okay, slow down, roundabout.
Slow down, you go faster. Roundabout. Ooh-wee.
There's a couple of roundabouts here.
I mean, we can go straight down Flamingo, or if we're gonna go, wanna go Tropicana. This is Flamingo already.
It's up to you, man. Just send it. I'm enjoying the ride.
Okay, let's go make a right. If you guys enjoyed the ride, let's go make a right. So if you wanna go from Cheyenne all the way to Russell, this is the way. No stoplights.
Or the stoplight that we don't follow.
Well, yeah, that's it. Another roundabout. We just go straight, but I want to go around. You guys can go straight. I go around.
Oh, now you say that?
Follow you.
What a damn idiot.
and we all fell for it. What monkey do, monkey does.
I think we should have make a left, but it's okay. We can go straight here. I mean, we're just riding. I want to see you guys in the vlog.
When we pass Omar, wave.
Hi. She doesn't want to let go. There you go. Two up, baby, two up.
Right, tell her to wave and she don't wave.
She just want to hold. She doesn't want to let go. So that's Russell. Okay, we keep going. I don't know where to go. We'll see. We'll find the spot. Alright, so punta tayo ng Madhouse Coffee. Sa coffee na pinupuntahan namin dito ng 24 hours. Talagang niride lang namin yung route na yun kasi presko doon, tapos walang stoplight masyado, walang sasakyan, kaya inikot namin yun. Si Mike Bomac na iwan, bumili ng coke ni Kuya Jody, pinta rin kami. Talagang gusto na namin magpahangin, wala talagang destinasyon. Did you miss your Vespa?
Yeah.
Because he was riding big bikes in the Philippines.
One right there.
Alright, we're here. Madhouse Coffee Reese. Ang dami
Go
tao
for it.
pa rin.
I'm gonna go backward.
Stretch it out. Stretch it out.
Tired.
She's tired.
Holding on to you.
Alright, let's go. Alright, uwi na tayo. Happy birthday again. 50 what? Yeah. Uwi na tayo guys. Ito na tayo mamaya sa Madhouse sandali. Mabilis na kape lang. Hop! Hop! Then, uwi na. I'll take the wrong go all the way, no? Let's take the wrong go all the way. Later, folks. I like your helmet, man.
Huh?
I like it.
Two group members
What
connected.
size? What size is that? Oh, you need.
I got XL coming.
Oh, the Jirai. Who's here?
Me.
Oh. Start mo, baka hindi mo start yan. No, earlier. She doesn't want to start. Ayaw?
Lights go.
Dali. Ayaw mandar. May ginawa ko kanina. Dali. May ginawa ko kanina. Dali.
Patay ulit, tas bukas.
Umandar, guys. I'll stay in the back this time. It's okay, kuya. You can lean your bike.
Trying to.
Sis, did you like the top box, sis?
She's smiling.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't think she turned her cardo back on.
Oh.
That was a good pump bike. Happy birthday again, great Jody.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, bro.
From now on, we'll just take that route. It's fresh over there. It's cooler. Yeah, you can move on this lane.
One thing.
No, Kuya Jody. Kuya, did you adjust your shocks on the rears?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. Try to adjust it.
You sitting low?
Yeah.
It's okay. Nice and cool.
Yeah. This is a golf course over there. I think the arrow is like exact fit on the thing. Because it's not hitting, yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's not hitting it. That's good. Time check, it's 12:17 a.m. No, it's not bad. This is Sunday night, man.
Runners.
Huh?
Yeah. Midnight runners.
Yeah.
It's already Monday morning.
Well, I think Sunday night is the way to go right now. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice and easy ride.
Yeah. Next time we go to Anthem.
We can take Anthem.
Yeah, we'll take.
When can Chuck come with us?
Who?
Chuck.
I think he's working Sundays. We'll see. I think next week he's available. We'll see.
Alright guys, dito sa part na to, hindi ko alam, mamamatay na pala ang ating baterya ng camera. So, ayun. Until the next one guys, again, happy birthday to Kuya Jody. Maraming salamat sa ating mga subscribers. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Like, share, and subscribe guys. Until the next one, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Let's go!